Is it time to buy or sell D-Wave Quantum stock? In this video, we are diving deep into D-Wave Quantum. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at stockinvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has identified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Investors who acted on our analysis would have seen a remarkable gain of 62.48% since we first classified D-Wave Quantum as a buy candidate just 23 days ago. This equates to an average return of 2.72% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating further potential for growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a possible change of 105.87% over the next 3 months, with an expected return ranging from 31.97% to 156.67%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis projects an anticipated change of 195.90%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 39.41% to 243.74% over the next year. This would translate to a future price estimated to lie between $23.60 and $58.20. Our latest daily update for D-Wave Quantum includes the headline, Significant Movements in D-Wave Quantum Incorporated Stock Price on Tuesday, fluctuating 11.98% between high and low. The D-Wave Quantum Incorporated stock price fell by 5.68% on the last day, Tuesday, the 10th of June, 2025, from $17.95 to $16.93. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.98%, with a low of $16.86 and a high of $18.88. The price has risen in 5 of the last 10 days, but it is still down by 3.53% over this period. Volume has increased on the last day by 5 million shares, though prices are falling. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slightly heightened risk over the next couple of days. In total, 60 million shares were exchanged for approximately $1.02 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $19.77, while the lowest was 75.1 cents. Currently, the price is 14.34%, or $2.84, below the 52-week high of $19.77, which is also the all-time high for the stock. D-Wave Quantum, trading under the symbol QBTS, has experienced remarkable momentum, particularly following its groundbreaking advancements in real-world quantum computing. Just last week, shares surged an astounding 1,281%, driven by the company's Advantage2 system demonstrating quantum supremacy in solving complex problems, which is attracting enterprise interest. The quantum computing sector as a whole has shown resilience amidst a turbulent stock market this year, making it a promising area for investors. Reports highlight that QBTS, alongside peers like IonQ, is part of a technology cohort that outperformed traditional markets, sparking discussions around its potential as a wealth-generating investment. Market sentiment is further buoyed by significant institutional interest, as evidenced by the second-largest United States pension fund's recent acquisition of QBTS shares. This level of institutional backing tends to enhance credibility and may encourage retail investors to follow suit, contributing to upward price pressure in the near term. In the long run, as quantum computing capabilities advance and gain broader acceptance in various industries, stocks like QBTS could benefit from sustained demand, translating into further capital appreciation. Overall, the combination of recent breakthroughs and growing institutional support positions QBTS as a noteworthy contender in the technology investment landscape, promising both short-term excitement and potential long-term growth. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 24th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley assigned QBTS a buy grade with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned QBTS an overweight grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of May 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned QBTS a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned D-Wave Quantum stock a general strong sell rating. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for D-Wave Quantum. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, May 22, 2025, and so far it has fallen by 11.08%. Further decline is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also emerged, which could influence the near short-term outlook. D-Wave Quantum Inc. stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, at the same time, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive forecast. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $17.51. Conversely, in the event of a decline, the stock will find support from the long-term average at approximately $12.47. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 13 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 81 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 24 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 24 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 35 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 154 days ago. Remember to visit our page at stockinvest.us if you want to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for D-Wave Quantum. D-Wave Quantum Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $16.56. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is known for its significant volatility throughout the day, exhibiting a substantial prediction interval according to the Bollinger Band, leading to a classification of very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $2.02 between its high and low, which represents an 11.98% change. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 10.10%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for D-Wave Quantum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0575. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for D-Wave Quantum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for D-Wave Quantum is at $17.55. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, D-Wave Quantum encounters its first support level at $16.56. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for D-Wave Quantum from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Nguyen Dian, who bought and sold 144,017 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of -30.094. In total, insiders purchased 45,739,834 shares and sold 87,114,739 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $16.13, reflecting a decrease of 4.75%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 12 days ago. Is D-Wave Quantum stock a good buy? Several signals and indicators currently appear negative, which we believe will influence the stock's performance in the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we see today's price level as a potential buying opportunity, as we anticipate an increase in value during or by the end of this 3-month period. Consequently, we have revised our analysis for this stock from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and trading movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 11th of June, we expect D-Wave Quantum to open higher by 627/100ths of a dollar, starting at $17.56. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be solely based on the information provided by stockinvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.